10 signs you have emotional trauma. Emotional trauma can take a major toll on our mental health and well-being. Knowing the key psychological symptoms of emotional trauma can help us recognize when we or someone we care about needs help to heal. In this video, we'll explore signs you have emotional trauma so that you can better understand how to recognize and address the issue. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. What is emotional trauma? Emotional trauma refers to the psychological distress and damage that result from experiencing an overwhelmingly stressful event or series of events. When someone experiences emotional trauma, it can disrupt their ability to cope with daily life and navigate their emotions effectively. The effects of emotional trauma are long-lasting and can deeply impact a person's mental health and overall well-being. It is important to note that not everyone will experience the same symptoms, and the severity and duration of these symptoms can vary from person to person. However, if you or someone you know is exhibiting several of these signs, it may be an indication that emotional trauma is present. The importance of recognizing emotional trauma can have serious and long-lasting effects on a person's mental health and well-being. Recognizing the signs and symptoms of emotional trauma is crucial in getting the help and support needed to heal and move forward. Ignoring these signs can lead to further emotional distress and complications. Knowing the signs you have emotional trauma can help individuals understand their experiences and seek proper treatment. Some common signs may include flashbacks, nightmares, anxiety, depression, and difficulty trusting others. Recognizing emotional trauma can be a challenging and sometimes uncomfortable process, but seeking professional help can make a significant difference in recovery. Overall, recognizing emotional trauma is an essential step in promoting healing and moving towards a happier, healthier life. 10 key psychological symptoms of emotional trauma can have a profound impact on our mental health, and it is essential to recognize the key psychological symptoms that may indicate its presence. These 10 signs you have emotional trauma can serve as important markers to watch out for. 1. Intrusive thoughts. Recurring and distressing thoughts about the traumatic event that can intrude into daily life and disrupt concentration and focus. 2. Flashbacks. Intense memories or images of the traumatic event that can feel as if they are happening in the present moment. 3. Nightmares. Frequent and distressing dreams related to the traumatic event that can lead to disturbed sleep and fatigue. 4. Intense feelings of fear or sadness. Overwhelming emotions that may arise suddenly and intensely, often triggered by reminders of the traumatic event. 5. Avoiding reminders of the traumatic event. Going to great lengths to avoid people, places, or situations that may trigger memories of the traumatic event. 6. Heightened anxiety. Constant feelings of unease and a heightened awareness of potential threats. 7. Difficulty trusting others. A general distrust of others and difficulty forming and maintaining close relationships. 8. Emotional numbness. Feeling disconnected from emotions and a reduced ability to experience joy, pleasure, or a sense of meaning. 9. Changes in sleep and appetite. Disturbances in sleep patterns, such as excessive sleep, and changes in appetite, such as loss of appetite or binge eating. 10. Diminished sense of self-worth. Feeling unworthy, ashamed, or experiencing a loss of self-esteem as a result of the traumatic event. Recognizing these psychological symptoms is crucial for understanding and addressing emotional trauma. By acknowledging these signs, individuals can take the necessary steps towards seeking professional help and embarking on a journey of healing and recovery. How to seek help for emotional trauma. If you have recognized any of the 10 key psychological symptoms of emotional trauma within yourself, it's important to seek help. The good news is that emotional trauma can be treated effectively with the right help and support. One of the first steps in seeking help is to talk to your primary care physician or a mental health professional, such as a therapist or counselor. Suggest an appropriate treatment plan, This may require some research and asking for recommendations from trusted sources, such as your doctor or friends who have been through similar experiences. Before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos like this. Thanks for watching.